snowstorm 2011 in October. That's correct. Here we're walking through my house. This is the driveway where we just finished shoveling. As a matter of fact, we're going to walk to the front of the house first, take a look at that. What we have here. Oh, what's that? Yes, correct, a broken tree. Congratulations. Here we go. As we walking through, here's some more broken trees. Our bushes in front of our house, probably the only one that survived, and kinda, not even really. You see, these are pretty much destroyed, and this one's completely gone. We had here a giant tree right here, had fell right here. Me, my dad, and Oman, we all moved it over here. Thank you, Oman, for that one. All right, here's that branch right here. Here's another one right here. The one that fell. When it fell, it hit the house and it slid right down. Oof. Here's our neighbors. Everybody's looking at everybody's houses. The damages. These bushes have been here since we moved here. We put them here, and now they're gone. So as we'll continue walking. We'll see that the entrance to our street is completely blocked off, as you can see. There's no way of passing, and the people of Leominster probably won't be here till next week, because that's how good they are. They're that good. Let me see, how far can I go? It's freaking October, ladies and gentlemen. Halloween is tomorrow. How are the kiddies gonna know if the house is giving out candy if there's no power to the houses? Huh? We have to light a candle to say, hey, we're giving out candy. Daddy hard at work. And there you go. Probably by Wednesday or Thursdays we'll be gone. Glad you enjoyed the video. And there you go. There's New England. Woo! New England!